Welcome to Section 1, Lecture 2, Computing Basics. In order to set up our tools for the upcoming sections and lectures, it is important for us to understand what is a computer. Today, computers are all around us. From desktop computers to smartphones, they continue to evolve. Therefore, it is necessary in today's world to have a broad understanding about these smart devices. Computers were invented by Charles Babbage. A computer is an electronic device which has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data and information. Data is unprocessed information. A computer is an extremely complicated device. Therefore, its study is broken into several sections. One of the first sections that we are going to study is computer architecture. Computer architecture is a set of rules and methods that describe the functionality, organization, and implementation of a computer. The modern computer primarily comprises of two areas, hardware and software. Hardware of your computer has a physical structure, whereas software are a set of instructions given to the computer that tells the hardware what to do and how to do it. To design and execute any software in a computer, it is essential to use something called programs. Now, what are programs? Programs are collections of instructions that tell a computer software what to do and how to do it. A computer only understands binary. Binary is a mathematical number system that comprises of only two digits, 0 and 1. Therefore, it is a base 2 number system. Programs are encoded in these digits to a computer. If any instructions or programs are set to a computer in any human language like English, the computer translates it to binary to process and execute it. A computer is an extremely skilled device. However, any device possesses some disadvantages. In this slide, we are going to review some advantages and some disadvantages a computer presents. Some advantages are as follows. Computers have grown to be a necessity in today's world. Therefore, it has become crucial to learn about them. Computers perform tasks more efficiently, quickly, and they reduce human error. Artificial intelligence, or commonly known as AI, may be developed in computers, allowing them to be self reliable. Some disadvantages a computer presents are as follows. Computers are the main contributors towards loss of human jobs. Therefore, they pull many towards poverty. Computers have commonly been regarded as a major constituents to eye problems. Eye problems include strain and loss of vision. Computers are primary contributors to electronic waste, also known as e-waste. To dive into the depth of e-waste, please study our electronic management course.